How to find your contact on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your contact on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee and click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Once you are here, click on the person icon beside edit and you're gonna find suggestions and contact. Connect your contact to see which friends are using Likee. Once you click on connect, you're gonna know all your connect who of them who has Likee account, and you can follow them on this app easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.